Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a socks hair bun actually. So this is a socks, dark colored socks. I'm going to use this to make a small hair bun so we can use it on different hairstyles. So I will show you how to make that. It's very simple, it just takes 1 minute or something. So what I did is take this socks, okay, then I cut off the closed part. See, this closed part I just cut it off. So both the sides are now open. Both the sides socks open. Just cut off the closed part. Now what you have to do is just roll this socks inside. Means this open side you have to just roll it this way. See, it's very easy. Just roll the socks inside. That's all. See. So this is the hair bun that I made just now.